Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about pulp stones. So let's start our topic. We will start our topic with introduction. Pulp stones that are also known as denticles are calcified masses found within the dental pulp. They can vary in size, number and location and are often discovered during radiographic examination. Now we will talk about the formation process of pulp stone, like how they are formed. Pulp stone formation involves the deposition of calcified material which may occur due to aging as a part of natural physiological changes, or it may be due to irritants like dental caries, restorative materials, and chronic trauma can stimulate calcification. Or it may be due to pulp degeneration, that is, cellular breakdown or tissue deterioration can lead to pulp stone formation. Or there may be genetic factors that predispose to the um, dentine dysplasia or pulp pathologies. And there is also non-etiology. Many pulp stones are idiopathic, meaning the exact cause is unknown. Now let's talk about the characteristics of pulp stones. Let's talk about the size. They can range from microscopic to several millimeter in diameter. Talking about their shape, they are often round or oval, but irregular shapes can also occur. Talking about the number, they may appear singularly or in the clusters. Talking about their density, they are high mineral density, makes them appear radiopaque in X-ray, and that's how they are diagnosed mostly. Now we'll talk about the types of pulp stones. Based on structure, pulp stones can be divided as true pulp stones and false pulp stones. True pulp stones are formed by odontoblasts resembling dentine with tubular structure. They have tubular structure. This is an important thing. They, like the dentine, has tubular structure. They typically consist of dentine-like material, making them more structured and similar to natural dentine development. Then we have other type based on structure, that is false pulp stone. They are created due to calcification of regenerative pulp cells or other debris. Unlike true pulp stones, they are made of mineralized masses without any tubular dentine structures. And that's the reason they are called as false pulp stone, because they do not resemble dentine. Now we will further talk about types of pulp stones based on their location. We have free pulp stones that are found entirely within the pulp tissue. We have adherent pulp stones that are partially fused with the dentine, and we have embedded pulp stones that are completely surrounded by dentine. Now let's talk about the clinical features of pulp stones. We have endodontic challenges associated with the pulp stone. Pulp stone can obstruct access to canals during root canal treatment, thus making procedure more complicated. They may also require ultrasonic equipment or specialized techniques for removal during treatment. The symptoms are pulp stone are usually asymptomatic, meaning they do not cause noticeable discomfort. However, they can occasionally lead to symptoms if they interfere with the pulp tissue or vascular structures. Then there are some potential complications associated with pulp stone, that are large pulp stone may affect the pulp ability to respond to stimuli and repair itself. So that's they complicate the pulp natural ability. Now let's talk about the diagnosis of pulp stone. It is mostly radiographic examination. Pulp stone appear radiopaque masses on X-rays. Microscopic examination can also help differentiate between true and false pulp stone. Um, and then we will talk about the management of pulp stones. Management include observation. If asymptomatic pulp stone usually do not require any removal or treatment. But if we are doing endodontic procedure and they are obstructing root canal, then ultrasonic tips or specialized instruments may be employed to clear them. Then we can also do some preventive care, that is addressing underlying cause like chronic inflammation or trauma can prevent further formation. So this was all about pulp stone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment.